Go, Beckham.
Good job.
Stay with him. That's the way you play.
Go, Jace. Go. Go. Go.
I don't know if there's that many, but I wouldn't be surprised.
There you go.
Get it, 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 get it.
There you go.
Good, Beckham. Shoot, Bubba.
Be ready.
Get it. Good, Beckham. Good. Way to hustle.
Good job, Jace. You ready for a goal kick?
Go there, get the ball. Come on, Jason, stay with it, stay with it. There you go, get it, get it.
Get it, Beckham. Go. Go. Go, son. Go. Go. There you go. Cross it. Go.
It's still going. It's still live. It's still
Play
live.
it. Good job, Beckham.
You're on defense, Jace. You're on defense. You're on defense.
Take it. Take it. Shoot.
Shoot.
Oh, shoot again.
Jace.
Yes. There we go, Bubba.
Doing it, doing it, doing it.
Good job, Beckham.
Way to go, team, way to go.
Mom. 2 hours.
Go, Jace. Go.
Good, son. Get it out. Oh, not in the middle. Ooh.
Jace, push up just a little bit. Push up to the middle of the field. Go, Jace. Upfield, upfield, upfield. There you go, defense.
There it goes. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo, woo.
There you go.
Good, Jace. Good, Jace.
Keep with it, Jace. You got it. You got it.
Pass it.
Oh. Get it out. There we go. Good. Good pass. Go, Lucas.
Go, Lucas. Go in, Jace. Get a field, Jace. Get a field. All right, throw it in.
Throw it in right to Lucas. There you go. Right there. Shoot.
There it is.
Good try.
Good try.
You ready, Jace? Back up.
Watch it, Jace. Watch
There you go. Good pass, son.
The field. Get ready for the pass.
Yes. Good pass, Beckham.
Good positioning. Get back, get back, get back.
Yeah, we had that one with the lumber over it.
Go, James.
They scored for us. And then Becky scored more now. Good, Beckham. Good left foot, son.
There you go. Get it, Jace.
Again, good,
Go,
Beckham.
Jace. Win it. Win it. Win it. Win it.
Jace. Again, son. Good. Stay with it. Stay with it. Good.
Pass it.
Oh. There you go, Benaya. Good.
Just handball. Don't defense, James. Defense.
Hey, it's their ball. All right, turn around. Get ready, Bulldozers. Oh, we'll take that. It's our goal kick. Yep. Well, that's a good team they played. So. Ooh, face shot. Go. Go.
Wait.
Get in front of someone.
There you go, James. Turn and go. Good job.
That's it. There you go. Good pass.
Good job. Bring it home.
Don't say it. Shoot. Oh. Shoot again.
Get it, Jace. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Oh, it's a scrum on the line over there. No, it's still in. It's on that line. Shoot.
Get on it, Jace. Get on it. There you go.
Oh, all right, now. There you go. Good. Good. Oh.
Get back, Jace. Goal kick.
Doing good.
Jace.
Handball.
That's handball.
We'll take that. Point.
There you go.
Oh, shoot. 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 Shoot again. Keep shooting that thing. go. Good.
Good ball.
Coaches.
Control it, son. There you go. Good.
Get on it, Jace. Get on it.
Good, Beckham. Good.
Go, Jace. Get up. Go, get on it, Jace. That's yours. Get on it. There you go. Go. Go.
Jace,
Go.
Jace, shoot, Jace. Go, Beckham. Stay with it, son. Get, hurry. Hurry back.
Wait for the ball. It's coming up.
Good, good. Get up. Good, Beckham.
Does he realize there's another Beckham?
I don't know.
He kind of looks.
Throw in.
Yeah, he did.
Throw in. Throw in. Throw in. Back up. Go throw in. Throw in.
Go, Lucas. There you go. Oh, it's okay. Get it, Beckham. Play with it. Get it out. There we go. Go, Jace.
Good back up.
Good, Beckham. Go.
Dribble, Jace.
Try to score for
Control the
myself
ball.
2 times.
Go, Jace. Go. Wait for the field. Wait for the shit. There it is.
Good.
Go field.
Oh. Big kick there.
Jace, get upfield.
Quítasela, Arena, quítasela.
There we go.
Go, Jace.
Go.
There you go.
Stay with Jace.
Get it.
In there. Yes. That's in. That was in.
That was in.
Well, if you get it,
That was totally in.
well, if she'd move out of the circle and move a little farther down. Nice. Jace.
Get it again.
Get it out. There we go.
There you go. Dribble. Go upfield.
Get it, Beckham. Pass it up.
Turn out in there. Take it.
Good, Beckham. It's our throw.
Get open, Jace. Get open. There you go. It's gold now, Jace. Defense, Jace. Defense.
We'll see him move out of the circle. Like, come on. If you're going to ref, you gotta get up and down and keep it.
Turn it, Jace. Wait for the...
There it is.
Go, Jace. Go.
Go, Lucas. Get it, Beckham. Back up. There we go. That's okay, son. You try. Back up. You're out of bounds.
Kick it.
I think our Beckham's going to win that. Let's go, son. Make your move. Good pass. A little harder. Stay with it. Well, he didn't kick it hard enough. He's trying to use his left foot, which is good. He just doesn't have a lot of power to it yet. Because of weak foot. Get on him. Good, Jace. Good body.
Here you go.
Go,
Now get
Lucas.
upfield. Get upfield.
It's off foot. They do?
Yeah, they get
Yeah.
they're very ugly.
Good. Watch the ball, son. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Don't play it. Yeah, there we go. Good, Lucas. Good.
Get upfield, Chase.
All
Get
that
upfield.
stuff. Oh, take
There
it. Deflection there.
Good job, Lucas.
Nice shot, Lucas.
Okay, David, check it out.
Good job, Jace. You're doing good.
Do you care if it's off the sun?
Well, no, but I forget I have because I've never had sunglasses in my life. Because I've always worn glasses. So I've never had sunglasses.
Never worked like that.
For a short amount of time.
I didn't have them until
When I had
I
contacts,
was like after I got a. I wish I'd have
started,
worn
my eyes started coming out sometimes. They made a film on them and they
Have you tried them recently with the newer contacts? They're real thin now. I wonder if it would be better.
Go, Jace. Go. Get on it. There you go. There you go. Go, go, go. There it is. Good shot. Good shot.
Good try.
Good job, buddy.
That's okay.
Keep it up,
the
Beckham.
shot. Throw it to an open guy. Throw it to an open. There you go.
Get it, Beckham. Hurry, hurry. Catch him. Catch him, catch him. Run.
Good job.
Stay with it. You're doing good, Joe. Stay
Get
with it.
upfield.
Go,
Get
Benji.
upfield. Get upfield.
Go, Benny. Go, Benny.
Just get upfield.
Let's go. Let's go. Get it.
There you
Get
go.
it.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Stay
Shoot.
on it.
Oh, hurry, Beckham. Hurry. Turn it. Turn it.
Get up there, Jace.
There you go. Dribble, baby. Dribble, dribble, dribble.
There you go. Good stop. Go.
Go, Jace. Go.
Uh-oh. Oh, we got that. There we go. Good Brian.
Good job, Benny.
Good, Benny. Good.
Jace,
Go.
get upfield.
We'll take it. You want to dribble back for us?
Get with it. There you go. Way to
Same
stop it.
team. Same team. Save it, Beckham. Save it. Turn it back in. Good. Good pass. Oh, that's easy. We got that. Good, Benaya.
Good kick.
Benaya. He's going to score from the other end.
Get on it, Jace.
I mean, he seems like he's good with it. And he got some good. He's not good rounds. Good pass, son.
It's a goal kick, Jace. Get open.
We'll take that. Benaya's got it. Good. Good, Jace.
There you
Start
go.
throw. Beckham,
Throw it,
in.
Jace. Throw it.
Beckham, throw in.
Throw it.
Jace, move down. Move up. Beckham, throw it in.
Beckham.
Jace, move up. Jace, move up. Here, give it.
Back behind the line, behind the line, Jace.
Oh, they let him have that one. Ooh.
Halftime. All right.
So that is.
Come on, Jace.
Go, Jace.
fastest. I guess I lost it. Rewatch that game.
Beckham, you playing up? Where's he playing?
Come on, Jace. You ready, Papa? You ready?
Oh, Benaya's moving up. Okay. All right, Beckham. Let's see, buddy. There you go. Go, Beckham, go. Go, Beckham, go.
Get in there. Come on, Jace. Come on, Jace.
Good. Good. Go. Go.
Come on,
Good
Jace.
ball. Pass it across to Benaya,
Come
Beckham.
on, Jace. There you go. Pass it to somebody. Come on.
Throw in. Beckham, throw it in, Beckham.
Behind the line. Behind the line, baby. Be ready,
There you
Jace.
go. Down the line. There you go.
Come on,
Good.
Jace. Come on, Jace. Go. Take it, Jace. There you go. Go. Scoot up and be open.
Good, Beckham. Good.
Come on, be open, Jace. Arriba, come on,
Good,
Jace.
Benny.
Side of the field.
Turn it, son. Oh, handball.
Come on, Jace. Turn it.
Oh.
It's okay, Jace.
Ooh.
It's okay, baby.
Down the line, right? Somebody down here. Right at Beckham, right here. Beckham. There you go.
Come on, Jace. Go.
Get it, Beckham.
Take it, Jace. Take it.
Get it,
Take
Beckham.
it, Jace. Take it with you. Stay on your side and scoot up.
Oh.
Goal kick. You okay, Jace? Come on, Jace. Somebody, Jace.
There it is. Take it. Good, Benaya.
Come on, Jace.
Good, Beckham. Oh, keep going, son. Good job.
Oh, it's okay, Jace. Go. Get it, Jace.
There we got a handball there, too. Catch him, Beckham. Oh, that's fine. Beckham,
You okay, baby?
good job, son. You okay? He got him in the head.
My bad.
Tough.
You're tough, baby. Good job.
Beckham, you tough?
You tough?
He hit him right in the face.
Wow. Yeah, you did.
He didn't even hardly blink. Now, if it had been at home, and something like that, it would have been a different ball game. Soccer game? No, we're fine.
Watch when we go home. There you go. Jace. Get it, Jace. Get it.
Good, Jace. Good, Jace.
Don't throw it.
Get it, Beckham.
Can't wait.
Oh, good, Benny.
Be fast, puppy. Don't wait, Jace. Wait, Jace. Wait. Watch the ball.
Spread out.
Watch the ball. It's okay, Jace. It's okay,
Hurry.
Jace.
Go, Benaya. Good. Go. Good. Oh, help him, Beckham. Hurry, catch him, Beckham. Turn it.
Stay open, Jace.
Good.
Get it, Jace. Come on, Jace. Come on, Jace.
Shoot.
Come on, Jace.
Oh. Still up. Still play.
Come on, Jace. Still play.
Pass, Beckham. Pass. Good.
Come on.
Oh, it's okay. It's got to be a corner. Oh. What? Beckham, back up, son.
Back up, Jace. Back up. It's okay, Jace. It's okay. Back up, Jace. Come on, Jace.
Sure, Beckham, turn it. Get him, Beckham. It's a big old boy, man. Good job, son.
You ready? You ready, Jace? Come on, Jace. Stand
On
there.
the ends, like out past the goal.
Okay.
Sideline is the throw-in. Now, if we kick, if the other team kicks a corner, give me a corner or a goal kick. 1 or 2. Oh, missed it. So back up. Beckham getting defense.
Okay, Jace. Find somebody.
Towards the goal.
Get it out. There we go. Good, Benaya.
Good job, Jace. Water break, Papa. Let me see. Good job, Bulldozers.
Go, Beckham.
Hey, hey, hey.
Beckham, you're up. Beckham, you're up, son. Go get you a goal. There it is, son. Take it. It's your ball.
Come on. Come on, you're messing.
Turn it. Turn it. There you go. Go, go, Beckham.
Come on.
Go, son. Take it. Go.
Come on, go.
It's your ball. Easy, easy.
Ready, set it up, baby. Set it up. Set it up.
Corner kick. So we kicked it out that way, so it's their corner. So it's out on us, they get it. Since on our end, yeah. Like we're kicked out and we're defending. Hey, it's a corner kick for them. Oh, never mind. Okay, we'll take it. We kicked it out. I think. Didn't we kick that out? I mean, we'll take it, but. Oh. Hurry, help him.
Come on.
Oh, we did it. Oh my goodness. Well, we got something really good on our side today. Now they're gonna give him a corner kick. That's corner kick. Let's go, defense. Get ready.
Defense. Cover the goal.
Right there, Ian.
Cover your goal. Defense.
Get ready.
Defense. Come on.
Get ready.
Come on.
Get ready.
Come on, baby.
Take it. Take it, Beckham. There you go.
Take it from him. Come on, baby.
Oh, get it out. Go, Lucas. Go, Lucas.
Hustle.
Beckham, go. Start throwing. Beckham, move up.
Defense.
Oh, never mind. I didn't throw it in there every time.
Get up, Rich. Get going to you.
Let's go. Other way. Turn it, Benny.
Turn it.
Go, good, Beckham.
Come on, go.
Oh, don't back off.
Go.
Hey, other way. There we go. Good, Beckham.
Good hustle.
Beckham right here. There you go. There you go. Take it. Dribble. Go, son. Good pass. Go with him.
Go.
What is going on? Oh, I guess because I'm hitting it. It's kind of like emergency. I guess because I'm putting it inside.
I thought I had taken a fall.
Yeah, I've had that happen a few times. Thankfully, I never was actually taking a fall. It was.
She's sitting in the stand.
Go, Beckham, go! Oh, just can't get out free.
There's just a little bit.
He puts it back here. I know why he puts it back there. Midfield. Good at running the whole field and turning it and keeping it on the other end. But looks like you get it to him.
How you did last time.
Get ready. Come on, Beckham, get up here, buddy. Get up here. It's your ball.
There you go.
There you go, Lucas. Shoot. Yeah, there we go. I think we're going to go grab some food after. I think we're going to I'm not going to go back home, I don't think. It's just like 30 minutes there and back. Like an hour or something like that. So we're going to try to go back up and maybe go grab something to eat and come back out and watch. Yeah. It's like a lot of gas. drive all the way home. If it's just since it's just me and him, even though he sometimes gets a little whiny, I don't think if it's just me and him, he won't be as mad. Because he feeds off the other one. When it's just being the boy time, he's okay. Over here, about a couple of rows. Okay.
That's good. That's good. Big rig.
Good job, Bulldozers. Turn around.
I need to get on this part out and put these games together, piece them together.